Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a location map for a user interface. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Now, import the sketch as a reference. Let's zoom out on the sketch first, guys. Let's start with the round object. Now, adjust the circle object to be half its size. Let's position the end exactly at a point on the grid. Go to the Path tab and select the object to path. Use the Bezier tool to extend the line. Okay, let's adjust the lines again. Make sure all the lines are aligned. Now, let's create the shading section. Well, this looks much better. Okay, let's make a circle in the middle. Make sure all the padding is the same so it looks balanced. Well, it looks like we need to make the bottom part smaller. And this is pretty cool actually. It doesn't seem to be aligned properly. Let's adjust it first. Wow, that's great. Yeah, let's duplicate the icon. Now, let's go to the Path tab. Okay, let's duplicate the icon again. Okay, so go back to the Path tab and select Stroke to Path. Well, looks like there's a part that isn't quite right. Let's adjust it again. It looks like we're cutting out that part with this square object. Select both objects, go to the Path tab, and choose Difference. Okay, let's duplicate this section again. And then we move on to the mirror feature. Select both of them, go to the Path tab, and select Union. Then go to the Path tab and select Break Apart. Go back to the Path tab and select Union. Next, select both objects, go to the Path tab, and choose Difference. Now, we're going to create an icon with a flat style. The duplicate icon. The duplicate icon, then we cut the other side. Select both of them, go to the Path tab, and select Difference. And let's add some color. And we group the objects. And yes, all the icons are ready. You can download the icon guidelines, they're free and available in the description. Thank you, and I hope you find them useful.